So to fix my eyelet, I took 1 inch, okay, away from the hem, okay. I took 1 inch all the way to the top. Go up by 1 inch. From there, take another 1 inch, take another 1 inch, like that. So this is what I'm going to be doing for the both sides. Now to do this, I'll be using my plier. With my eyelet plier, this is what I'll be using to do this. Then I have this size of eyelet. This size is for the plier. Then if you want to use the bigger one, then we have to go for the eyelet machine. So this is the size I'll be using for it. Now to create the holes, I'll be using my soldering iron to do that. I'll make it hot, then punch open the hole. Don't open too much hole, else it's going to be oversized and won't be nice. I'll show you how I'm going to be fixing it. I'll be very careful to do this, so I won't over open it, else it won't be nice again. So I'm waiting for it to get hot. I'm waiting for it to get hot so I can open. Now note that you can use this to open, but it won't pass through because of that bone that is thick. Okay, you can't pass through. So, but this is the part. This is the part that they provided to punch open, to open your holes. This is smoke. So this is the part you're supposed to use, but you cannot open because of the boning. That plastic boning that we use there. So that is why I'm using this to open it. It smells. I don't know if it's hot by now. I think it's too. Check. Be careful not to burn yourself. I'm just using this to try out. Be careful not to burn yourself with this. It's getting hot. The wire is short, so I'm trying to. Okay. So like I said, be careful not to burn yourself. You see what I'm doing? I'm trying to just open it. Give it small hole here. It's still not hot. So I'm careful. I'm just being careful not to open too much holes. I think I'll just show you how to do 1 or 2. Then I'll do the remaining one. I think this is. Now I have small hole here. I don't know, yeah. So I'm trying to. Let me try and fix if it will enter, if it will pass through the hole. Let me see if it can pass through this hole before I continue to. So the tighter it is, the better. So it will make it last long. Other than getting too much holes, then later you will not start looking for a way to get a bigger eyelet. So like right now it is still not passing, so I can just come in with my soldering iron again and I'll punch this side open a little bit, I'm just trying to remove. You see, it is melting the fabric. I'm just being careful not to get too much opening. Oh, it won't be nice. Let's try this. I'm trying to force it in. Please note you can still go ahead, but I want it to really be tight so it won't fall off. You can be tying your lacing. You can be lacing it, before you know it will just fall off. That's one thing with this thing. So I'm just trying to get a very tight and neat eyelet hole. Look, it's entering now. It's entering, but then again, let me try to support it. This thing is too hot. Let me off it small. Yeah. Yeah, so I think this is very fine. So this is what I have. It has entered here. I love it though. It's very tight and I like it. Now, to use this your plier, here there is this sign. There is an arrow sign at one side of the plier. So that arrow sign is where it's going to be facing up. So this is where we face up. The other have this arrow sign. You won't be able to see because it is silver. I'm going to so that place will be facing up. Let me turn it. Yes. Okay, if you don't, I can use here to guide yourself. Here should face up. You can even see that stuff here. So here should face up, not down. You see, not this other way. This is the right way. So I'm trying to. You see, make sure you've gotten the hole before you punch. Make sure you've gotten the hole before pressing down. So I'm going to press this down. Yes, you press it down very strong and hard so it will lay flat. This is fine. So this is it right here. This is it. It's so neat. And look at the inside. So if you turn it, okay, if I'm sure you did, I will explain the difference. If you turn it this other way, by the time you press down, you have this place being rough. So we don't want that. So this is how to punch. This is how to use the eyelet plier. So I'm going to finish up, and for me to do that I need to be fast, and I need to finish up because I have a lot. I did. When you take 1 inch, you can actually take 1.5 away, but I love taking 1 inch. So guys, I finished up. I just want to show you the last one. So this is the last hole here, and I'm just want to show you how to do that. Okay, you place your soldering iron here, and once you get to the tip, you just remove. So this is the hole you need. So this is the hole you need. Once you get to that point that looks like you want to go past that mouth pin, or what. Once you get to that part before it will go up, that is where you're going to stop, so that way it won't be too difficult to pass through. Now the soldering iron makes that part that you open strong, so that is why it's strong to push down, and it's good because it's going to help tighten it. So here, now this is looking very neat. And I'll press down, and this is it, guys. This is how to finish up your eyelets. And I'm using this corset rope for it. I'm using this is sold for 500 naira in the market. Even this one is sold for 500 naira in the market, as plenty as it is. Yes, 500 naira in the market. So while charging your customers, make sure you add all this. So this is what I'll be using, this color, this white color, because there is white on it. So this is what we have. This is the inside, how clean and how neat it looks.